Today we are going to talk about contains operator in KQL. So contains is basically used to apply on a column over a given data set, and that data set can be a single column, can be a result of unions or joins. And the way it works is it tries to find out any substring within the column similar to the given phrase. Right now, to understand more about that, we will start writing SigninLogs, and we would say where time generated it goes 7 days, so that we can get bit more data, and also where user principal name contains admin. And just to make sure we view the limited setup result, we would say project user principal name. And once we do so, and if we run the query, all right, then as a part of the result we should see basically all the user principal names where it contains admin as a phrase within it. And that was about having this contains over a single column. Now what if we want to extend this to multiple columns? What we would do is we'd also filter another column with and say IP address, and IP address contains, and I would mention a very specific IP address which I have stored for the demonstration. And just to make sure we appear IP address as a result, we would type in IP address in the projection also. And let us rerun the query once again, and we should see basically it shows both the result IP address with the given phrase as well as with admin present in the user principal name. Now just to make sure that we search a little bit of further, we can also use underscore CS, which is kind of case sensitive, to make sure that we only search out the space for a particular case, and we will remove another column for now, and the same in the project, and we rerun the query, right? And once we rerun the query, what happens is we can see results only for admin with lowercase. Now let us change the case of the phrase and rerun that, and we should be seeing no results because it doesn't match with the case, right? Now to go a little bit further, we will revert back the old phrase so that it can show us the result, and we will add and condition wherein we will apply contains on a non-string field, because time generated is not a string field, and we would try to specify a phrase which is current year and also expected to a part of time generated. And in the projection we'd add time generated to make sure that we see the result here. Now we rerun the query, and once we rerun the query, it shows that there is a typecasting error, and to avoid that we would convert time generated to a string phrase and try to rerun the query. Right now we should be seeing the result based on the both condition, and the reason we did the conversion because contains only applies on a string column.